A lot of news out there, a lot of things happening in the past few days, but the rain is trying to edge in on that news and move into the area. Take a look at our radars right now. Showers running to the north of us right now from the southwest, kind of west-southwest to east-northeast. You can see the rain has picked up. Got a couple of dots here, and that's a good indication of what we have seen locally. Just a few isolated showers. They don't show up too well on radar. They're trying to make their way in. Watch for some slick streets. Deborah's going to get you caught up on traffic here in a little bit, but at the moment, 51 degrees and overcast skies. Winds out of the north at 8 miles per hour. I did say 51 degrees. If you didn't know about it, say it's 6:46 right now. 51 at the moment. We are going to have a hard time getting out of the 50s today. Clouds and the showers and the cool air moving in are going to keep us in some nice cool weather. 46 out in the hill country out in Llano right now. 45 in Mason. 43 now the coolest in Fredericksburg. 51 here. We have 53 out in Lockhart and 54 in LaGrange. No red flag warnings, no fire weather watches, no concerns like that. Rain actually has been better to the north of us. That front that moved through brought the cool air, and now we have showers that really late last night were just a thin line of showers, and now it looks like some folks may be talking about excessive rainfall, believe it or not. But it is rainfall that is sliding from west to east. We'll pick up a chance for showers as we go through the day today, at least the morning hours, and then this afternoon it fades away, and then by this evening, the clouds too will edge out of here. We'll end up with a clear night tonight. We'll have cool air in place, and of course the winds will go calm. That means that we have some temperatures that could fall into the lower 40s. Maybe a cool night for everybody and a cool morning tomorrow morning. 59. We'll go with the overcast skies and the possibility for showers right now. Winds out of the north at 10 to 20 tonight, down to 48. Winds out of the north at 5 to 15, but they'll be calming down towards the morning hours. Take a look at the next couple of days. 7-day forecast, 48 for tomorrow morning, 73 for the afternoon high and sunny. 51 to upper 40s on Wednesday morning, 82 the high there. It does warm up back to about 90 on Saturday and 93 on Sunday. Morning lows come up. The downside of the 7-day forecast, although it's really nice and cool at the start, it's the only rain chance we get so far for the 7 days ahead.